In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the most out of Capcut by achieving a smooth video experience that maximizes the frames per second, or FPS, Capcut can handle. Now, we all know that having a higher frame rate can make your videos look a lot more fluid, which is particularly amazing for action shots or anything with quick motion. Now let's jump right into how you can optimize your video export settings in Capcut. The first step is opening your Capcut project. So go ahead and fire up the app and select your project from the list. Once your project is open, look towards the top right of your screen for the export icon. It's typically shaped like an upward pointing arrow over a box. Tap on it because this is where the magic begins. Next, you'll see an option that lets you choose the frame rate for your export. This step is crucial for achieving smoother playback. Go ahead and tap on the frame rate option displayed there. Now, it's important to note that as of now, Capcut only supports up to a 60 FPS export, so don't expect to see a direct 120 FPS option in the menu. Moving forward, you'll want to select 60 FPS. Although it may not be the 120 FPS you're aiming for, 60 FPS is still significantly smoother than the lower frame rate options and is the best Capcut allows at present. Once you've done that, go ahead and tap the export button to save your project. Upon tapping that button, Capcut processes your project and stores it at the greatest frame rate it can offer. Now here's an important note to keep in mind. Capcut cannot export 120 FPS directly. If your goal is to have footage with the smoothest motion possible, the key lies in your recording setup. You should first record your footage in 120 FPS using your camera. Many smartphones and cameras come equipped with the capability to record at 120 FPS or higher, so leverage that feature if you're looking for ultra smooth playback. After capturing your footage at 120 FPS, you can then bring that into Capcut and export it at 60 FPS, which is the highest frame rate it supports. This method gives you the best possible quality because the original recording retains that smooth motion characteristic of 120 FPS. The final result, when exported at 60 FPS through Capcut, will still maintain much of that fluidity and clarity. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll ensure your videos are as smooth as Capcut can make them, and maybe get a step closer to that ultra smooth 120 FPS look using a clever recording trick. Thanks for watching, and be sure to give these methods a try on your next video edit.